this, yo. Whoa. Why he parked so close up in the middle of us?
What the fuck? He said, I want to be with the Beamer boys.
Oh, I need.
You're talking about an F90. Oh my God.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Nah, this right here, meaty is fun. That's hard as hell. This bitch P.2. Why? Yo, this your shit, bro? This bitch hard, my boy.
There's some Instagram account.
You running it today?
Yeah, it was pretty good. Yeah, and I saw your style. Yeah, you got the like the chrome or the. Yeah, I saw it.
This is
I don't even know what he
I know. It looks sharp. It looks sick. Where is this dude, bro? He's supposed to be bringing me in.
a bumper exit.
Yo, what the? Oh my God. Yo, I know that shit launched like a bumper.
That shit got a bumper exit. Whoa.
Oh, what the fuck is that shit? I had that shit. That was my first car. I swear to God. Same color and everything. Yo, how much that shit pushing?
Nah, Honda Accord will run. I'm getting influenced. I'm getting influenced right now.
This is the maroon I wanted from 440 when I was going to fucking rap that joint, bro.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Look how thick these tires is.
This
on
would be
these
fire with
340.
some chrome rims,
With
huh?
some chrome rims, gang.
It's an F30. This being nice. Oh,
Yeah.
my Lord. Bro, when I think I don't need an F82, niggas just show me like, yo, this is F82.
I'm not gonna lie, this me
This pay-
3 years.
This nigga said me and you, I'll be in an M5 Sienna.
I hate BIMMER niggas. Like, taking it, yo, niggas be saying.
Yo, you got two colors to choose from.
Which one you
Black.
take? You take it
Black.
I'm
Black.
taking black all day.
I'm going all black.
Bluetooth black.
This shit at
Batman,
nighttime,
nigga.
you see this shit in your rear view?
That's the back man.
That shit is
This in
so
your rear view.
low, bro. Golly. That shit low as hell. Imagine having a bad back.
I don't know about the feel. I feel like this shit got upgraded turbo. Nigga, you talking about lamb in your rear view? See this in your rear view. Crazy.
Lamb got more.
He got some PBS.
Shit, you heard the bitch. She said, get hard. I love it.
I ain't even in the M5 yet.
That is crazy. I'm not
That
gonna
is
lie.
crazy,
If I
man.
bought a Lamb in my
Oh, shit.
look at this, yo. 2 hood exits with the welds on the back. Neat, bro. Bro, he all over the ball. Hear me, Jordan?
Fuck our shorts. I'm worried about my long ass vlog. I'm talking about our shorts. This joint right
CS goes stupid.
I already got a ticket. Who got this? Y'all ain't never seen y'all ain't never seen Fast Life Prince with the M340 Jamaican dude? Yo, you know Fast Life Prince?
Yeah,
Jamaican dude.
That's his
Same color.
Nah, the tinted headlights look tough on it. Oh my God. Yo, he was going stupid on the highway, bro. This shit. Oh my
Bro, I'm into, bro.
I know them shit sound crazy.
Bro.
Nah, he was going stupid on the highway. This shit sound good.
How you, man?
This shit. That bitch big. Yo, this X3 right here is so damn loud. He let off when I was on the highway and bust my ear open, bro. Pause. So bad. Now you're good. Dang, this black paint look good.
On it?
This black paint
See
clean.
crystals in there.
Yo.
Crystals.
This black paint is clean, bro.
Yeah.
Justin Delgado.
Stop playing with it.
I'm my bad.
It's on Wells, bro.
Why you slap like that, bro? I was telling them it's 2,000.
M760 got it. M760. Y'all seen this on TikTok?
Yeah,
I seen this on TikTok. Yo, you be on TikTok, bro?
Yeah, you be on TikTok? Yes, sir. I seen this on
Sir,
TikTok a
shit fire.
couple times. Bro, rolling up. I gotta go roll up, bro. Niggas got me fucked up. He's from Jersey.
No. This right here, bro. Open down from my head. Look at that. Crazy, bro. What's going on? Yo, this is crazy. Thank you. Talking my language now. Just fire. High rims. Harmonic balancer changed out. New fuel rails. Shit. What size throttle body is this got on it? Damn. Right. Yo, this right here, nigga. You not telling me shit. Nah, hell no. This right here. This my brother shit. This some shit my brother could be in, nigga.
I told you, tell your brother get an M8.
This at me.
If that's a downpipe 2 and M5. Damn. Wow. Yeah. M340. Oh, X3M.
X3M here. M dot dot dot. 40i.
X3M.
That is an X40.
Nah, that's an X3M though.
40i.
No, that.
Yeah.
I'm about to go to
Get that bitch swamp. Listen to them turbos.
That's a G80 or M340.
I'm going hard for that.
Over 2,000. Over real? 2,000 horse.
He said it got 2,000 horsepower, bro.
Yo.
Nah, that's some shit. he parked so
He
close
said, "I
up
wanna
in
be
the
with the
middle of us?
He said, I want to be with the Beamer boys.
Oh, I need a
Yes.
fucking thumbnail, bro. Yo, Jordan, you got a thumbnail?